Hi, Allington Elementary School. My name is Liz Nebeker and I'm a student volunteer for Operation Smile. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I've been involved with Operation Smile ever since I was 8 years old. And after 10 long years of amazing adventures, I've finally ended up in Guwahati, India. For 10 months, I'll be living in India, volunteering at Operation Smile's Comprehensive Cleft Care Center. They built the state-of-the-art facility in 2011 so that cleft lip and cleft palate patients could be treated here year-round. It's been an amazing experience so far, and I'm so excited to share some of my experiences with you. I'm also really excited to help kick off your Shamrock Marathon event. I think what you guys are doing is amazing, and I'm proud of all the hard work and effort you're putting into it to make it another great year. Next month, when you guys run your final mile in Virginia Beach, I'll be running a final mile here in Guwahati, India, so that I can feel a part of it. I'm really excited about your theme, Choose Kind. I think it is a really valuable lesson to everyone to look for kindness all around them and to choose to be kind to others. In India, I've seen so many wonderful examples of people choosing kind, and I have the opportunity to share some of these experiences with you. One of my first examples happens every single day at the Comprehensive Cleft Care Center. Patients come in for surgery and the children are nervous and scared because they've never been in a hospital before. But the doctors take extra special care of each and every child that comes into the OR, and each child is given a new smile. I see nurses hold the children and rock them and make them feel better, and I get the chance to bring parents in to see their child for the first time and give them a hug and wipe a tear from their face as they see their child with a brand new smile. I want you all to know that your kindness and your willingness to help Operation Smile is a ripple effect around the world. And here in India, children's lives are changed because of you. And I'm super excited for the next couple of weeks as I share these experiences, and I am so excited to talk to you all soon. Thanks, bye!